The first rates then on your screens this Friday morning start off in the positive. Both the Nifty as well as the Sensex are chugging along nicely. 20,150 a print for the Nifty 50 in the spot. And I think we should already be around that 20,200 level for the Nifty futures. Metals, once again, I can see are on a tear still. So Tata Steel, Hindalco, both those stocks have made a very smart move. Hindalco is holding up 2% right now. Tata Steel is up nearly about 1% or so. There's ONGC, Bajaj Auto, all those stocks are looking extremely positive as we speak. Let's check in on what Strides Pharma is up to. Remember, it's received the tentative US FDA okay for one of their tablets. So that's one stock which is going to be in focus. There's, of course, CG Power as well, wherein DAM Capital has now initiated a buy with the target price of 500 rupees per share. That stock starts off in the positive, about 2% or so. TCS, Anisha had earlier flagged off this stock. Spark has upgraded it to an add from the earlier reduce. And they've also upped the target price in this one to 3760 from the current 3200, 3572 on TCS as we speak right now. While we're at it, let's check in on Wipro. Starts off in the positive. Infosys as well will just come for you on your screens. And LTIM, which has been quite the mover all through this week, that will be up on your screens next. Alchem Labs, some negative news flow there. Income Tax Department is conducting a survey at some of the company's offices and subsidiaries. That stock is down about 1%, not really facing the heat as we speak right now. A bunch of other stocks which we would want to flag off, and let's see the big movers from yesterday, considering it was all about sugar. So Balrampur, Praj, Dwarkesh Sugar, the entire pack should just come off you on your screens. Triveni Engineering as well. Balrampur is still holding strong, 441 on that stock price as we speak. Balkrishna Industries, Granules, NMDC, these were the big movers yesterday. Sugar, of course, continues to be the strong pocket, but Granules, Balkrishna, NMDC, they are also seeing a continual up move in trade as we speak right now. Aman, any other stocks you're spotting?
Well, it continues to be the broader markets that are looking a little bit more buoyant as compared to the frontliners. So yes, some of those names within that space, and that includes movers in trade today like Bajaj Electricals, Karur Vyasa, Ajanta Pharma, something like a Nalco, even Lemon Tree Hotels, by the way, is up about 2% plus, but the gains are limited to about 1.5% to 4.9% at max. So let's find out what our chartists make of the texture of the market this morning. Bread skewed in favor of the gaining side, 20,100 on the screen. Kunal, your first take and your first trade.
Well, that will be on the Bank Nifty. So again, the opening for the indices are quite, as per the expected expectations. I think Bank Nifty is something which I'll be, keenly interested in terms of trading, because my sense is that the index should be heading towards a breakout, which is another 250, 300 points at least from current opening of 100 plus points for the Bank Nifty.
Okay, point taken, but do remember it's the record high that the market has hit yet again. The big question, of course, is where do we go from here on, because the Nifty, the earlier high was 20,110 or 20 thereabouts. So from there we have opened at record levels for Nifty as well as Sensex. But the question, of course, is where do we go from here on, Naresh?
So the view remains the drift is on the upside, 20,500 and 47,000 eventually is possible. The stock which I would like to go for is Granules India, which has seen a good breakout, could see follow-up over the next few sessions.
Okay, there you have it. Those are what our chartists are betting on this morning.